Hi everyone, welcome to Center Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm using up table paint droppings. This is like a couple of different metallics, mostly black, mixed up on these two sections. It's all table droppings so I don't waste too much paint. And this is pearl white that I had pre-mixed for a previous painting. So I'm just going to use these up. Now if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And everybody that keeps coming back, all my regulars, love you guys so much for leaving comments, giving me thumbs up. It really does mean the world to me. So thank you everyone. I'm going to be doing, I guess you would call it an Oreo Drizzle. I saw actually Kathleen Miller, if you've never seen her channel, she does a really neat painting with basically two blacks and a white in the center kind of thing. I don't really have the same style as hers, but we'll call it an Oreo Drizzle. How's that? Alright, Greg's going to hit some music, and the colors I'm using is a variety. Mostly Arteza, a couple of them are pigments, and some of them are custom made because I mix colors together just to get them used up. So I can't really give you a run through of colors other than they are pigments. This little piggy, Artezas from the Pearl series, and that's pretty much it. Alrighty, and my cell activator is just Amsterdam White with regular Floetrol. And let's give this a whirl. Alright, hit the music, hon. Thank you.
Windows wide, the curtains fly to catch the evening breeze. Without you here to keep me warm, believe I'd rather freeze. Believe I'd rather freeze. And how long can we walk that line between the sea and sand? How long can we bide our time for dreams we never planned? For dreams we never planned. When the sky said the winter time is coming on, and you cry to see a shadow, babe, is growing long across the lawn. Another song. It's Tuesday night, it's 3 a.m. I ought to be asleep. If only I could tell you all about the dreams I keep. Oh, about the dreams I keep. I wake up every morning and I'm wasted all the day. I'd turn it all around if I could only hear you say that you were here to stay. When the sky said the winter time is coming on, and you cry to see a shadow, babe, it's growing long across the lot. Another song. Sometimes in my silence, before the city glowed, I still recall the nights when I could hear you breathing low, and I caught you breathing low. But it's too late to turn around, too cold to go outside. I wonder if I saw this love as anything beside another place to hide. When the sky said the winter time is coming on, and you cry to see a shadow, babe, it's growing long across the lawn. another song.
Light rises, shakes the night, creation's moving. Can you feel it all around you now? A whole world of wonder, oh, oh. A fascination set into motion, a swell of grace immersed in love. The only place where all that surrounds you loses control. I'm captivated by another dimension. I've never felt this way before. I'm captivated by a love never ending. This is worth fighting for. My soul's awakened, energy, I can't contain it. Life has been invigorated in total surrender. Oh, oh. I'm captivated by another dimension. I've never felt this way before. I'm captivated by a love never ending. This is worth fighting for. This is worth fighting for. I'm captivated by another dimension. I've never felt this way before. I'm captivated by a love never ending. This is worth fighting for. I'm captivated by another dimension. I've never felt this way before. I'm captivated by a love never ending. This is worth fighting for. This is worth fighting for.
I'm not articulate like you. I swear I know how you value these words, but I cannot make poetry out of feelings like you do. My mother told me to love your woman, no matter what she says. Now I'm holding an empty bottle in my hand. to you. I can still prove my love to you when I'm drunk. I can still prove my love to you when I'm drunk. I recognize this old familiar look, even when sobriety's blurring my sight. You show up again and ask your man, how will it end? The best is always yet to come, I tell you. And soon it's back to reminiscing with my liquid friend. I can still prove my love to you when I'm drunk. Oh, I can still prove my love to you when I'm drunk. I used to have so many reasons to get better. As time goes by, it gets harder to keep your head above